Hello students, this is Professor here with your another video class, and today we are going to continue with the previous exercise, that is exercise 2.1, and we are going to do question number 5 now. Okay, so in question number 5 it is find the value, and question number A is 3 square into 2 to the power minus 2 whole into 5 square divided by 5 square. Okay, so now how you proceed is, now see, in the first case 3 square is like this only into 2 to the power minus 2, so the power is in negative, right? So what I can do is I can write it as 1 by 2 square. Now if this will go to the denominator, the power will become positive, isn't it? So this will be 5 square divided by, means if I make it into, then it will be 1 by 5 square. We have to write its reciprocal, right? Then 3 square means 9 into 1 by 2 square is 4, isn't it? Into this 5 square is cancelled, right? So this is into 1, means 9 into 1, 9 by 4 into 1 is same thing. Okay, so this is the answer for question number A. Now question number B is 28p to the power 4q square divided by 12pq whole cube. So this means 28p to the power 4q square divided by 12pq whole cube, right? So what we have to do now, we have to open the bracket in the denominator, p to the power 4 q square divided by 12. Now this cube is for p and q, right? So p cube, q cube for both. Okay, so then what will you get? Now you can cancel. 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28, right? So it will be 7 by 3. So now since p to the power 4 p cube is here, right? So with same base, that is p, so I will take p cube to the numerator, so it will become 4 minus 3. Why? Because a to the power m divided by a to the power n is a to the power m minus n, because the bases are same and we are dividing, the power will be subtracted, right? So but this 3 I will not take it to the numerator, but instead I will bring q square in the denominator, because 3 is greater, right? So q 3 minus 2. Okay, so it will be how much? 7 p to the power 4 minus 3, p to the power 1, that is p. Here also 3 q to the power 3 minus 2 means 1, that is simply q. So this is the answer. Okay, so next number C. So what is question number C? 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 5 to the power minus 1, isn't it? Means 3 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 3 divided by 5 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 5, right? So this will be, now I am going to make it as multiplication. So 1 by 3 into 5 by 1, because I have to write the reciprocal of the later one, right? So 5 ones are 5 divided by 3 ones are 3. So this is the answer for question number C. Okay, so now question number D. What is question number D? Question number D is 5 by 12, sorry, it's 5 by 15 whole to the power minus 2 into 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 2 divided by 2 by 5 whole inverse, right? So this is the question. So next what we will do is, we will first make the powers positive. Okay, so how will you make? So to make this power positive, we have to write its reciprocal. So 15 by 5 whole square into, this will be 5 by 3 whole square divided by 5 by 2 to the power 1, that is same thing, right? So 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. So it is 3 by 1 square means 9 into, this is 5 square, 25 by 9. Okay, divided by 5 by 2. So this 9 and this 9 are cancelled, isn't it? So it will be 25 divided by 5 by 2, right? So now I will make this as multiplication, so I have to write the reciprocal of the later one. So 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25 equals to 5 2s are 10. So 10 is the answer for question number D. Okay, so with this we have finished number 5. Okay, so we will do number 6 now. So for question number 6, you have to find x, means you have to find the value of x. Okay, so number A, 7 by 8 whole to the power minus 8 into 7 by 8 whole to the power 3 equals to 7 by 8 whole to the power x. So from here you have to find the value of x. So what will happen here? See the power bases are same here, also 7 by 8, 7 by 8. Okay, and we are multiplying, so what will happen? We have to add the powers, right? So minus 8 plus 3 equals to 7 by 8 whole to the power x. Right hand side will remain as it is. Okay, implies, so it will be how much? 7 by 8 whole to the power minus 8 plus 3. So minus into plus, minus, we have to subtract. So 8 minus 3 is 5, and the sign will be of the greater number. So which one is greater, 3 or 8? Obviously 8 is greater, and in front of 8 we have minus. So minus equals to 7 by 8 whole to the power x, right? So now, as I already told you, if the bases are same and the two numbers are equal, then the power will also be same. So implies x equals to minus 5. So this is the answer. Okay, so I want you to do question number 6b as your homework. Okay, so number 6b is your homework. So now we will move to the next number, that is 7. Okay, so now in question number 7, what we have is we have, by what number should 8 by 9 whole to the power minus 3 be multiplied to get the product as 1? So we have to multiply by some number with 8 by 9 whole to the power minus 3, so that we will get the product as 1. So in this case, let the number be x. Okay, so then if we multiply 8 by 9 whole to the power minus 3 by x, then what will you get? We will get 1 as the product according to the question, right? So now what I will do is I will make this power positive. Okay, so how will I make? By writing its reciprocal. 9 by 8 whole to the power 3 into x equals to 1, right? Implies, so x equals to, now we have to cross multiply, isn't it? Cross multiply means this will go up, this will come down. So it will be 8 by 9 along with the powers. So this is the answer. Okay, did you understand? So we assume the number to be x. Okay, and then after that we use the condition, because if we multiply 8 by 9 whole cube by x, then we'll get 1, isn't it? So according to the question, this is the condition. So now we have to find the value of x. First, what I did, I first made this power as positive by writing the reciprocal of the base, isn't it? So the power has become positive into x. So now I have to find the value of x. So I have to take it to the right hand side. So cross multiply along with the power. Okay, so 8 will go along with the power 3, and 9 also will go along with the power 3. Okay, so 8 by 9 whole cube is the answer. Okay, so then in that case you do number 8 also as your homework. Okay, so what are your homeworks? 6b and number 8 are also your homework, and in additional to this I am giving you some additional question as your homework, which I will post in the group. Okay, after the video is posted, then I will post the questions in the group, which will also be your homework. Okay, so till in the next video we will start with the new chapter. So till then please go through this chapter, and if there is any confusion, please let me know. Okay.